Oh my gosh, good chimpanzee boy. Look at him, he just loves to skateboard. Bro, you are expert. Woo! Yeah, you're so good. Bro, you are an expert skateboarder. And crash. Oh! Guys, it is so much fun getting to be around these animals every day. Lambani, go. Show us what you got. Show us. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Woo! Yeah.
So Buttercup is a purebred English bulldog. She's been skateboarding since the age of 8 months old. Now it's something that she's taught herself to do. All I did was give her a board at 8 months. She started by chewing the back, putting 2 paws on it as it would roll down the street, and then before you knew it, she had 3 paws on it. She's riding, chewing the front. And here we are, literally 3 years later. She's been on TV, she's been in magazines, and she draws a crowd wherever we go. And being extra special today, being in Edmonton because we are local. She is a dog from a local breeder, Norlight Bulldogs. This is super for us. We're glad a lot of people came out to see her, and judging by the crowd, a lot of people came to the show just to see her, and that to us is fantastic.
Meet Eric, the coolest dog we have ever seen. While most dogs are chasing cats and their own tails, Eric is chasing thrills. The French bulldog from London has become an internet sensation after teaching himself to skateboard. Over 300,000 people have viewed footage of 18-month-old Eric whizzing along on a skateboard in his local park. His owners insist the thrill-seeking pooch has received no training. He has a growing online fan base and has been inundated with sponsorship offers from retailers across the UK. Eric's owner said she discovered he had a talent when walking in the park. Ever since then, Eric has been honing his skills on a specially modified board, and the offers have been flooding in from retailers, making this the most popular pooch on